Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the harmonic mean between two given numbers, and in this video we are going to discuss about n harmonic means between two given numbers a and b. If the n terms h1, h2, h3, so on up to hn are said to be the harmonic means between a and b, then the sequence a, h1, h2, h3, so on up to hn, b should be in hp. Now we know that whenever the terms in a sequence are in HP, then the sequence with the reciprocal terms, that is 1 by a, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by h3, so on up to 1 by hn, 1 by b will be in AP. Now considering that the common difference of this particular AP is D, then the second term will be equal to the first term plus common difference, and the third term will be equal to the first term plus 2 times the common difference, so on up to the n plus 1th term, which is 1 by hn, will be equal to 1 by a plus n into d. Now the successive term of 1 by hn is 1 by b. So 1 by b will be equal to 1 by hn plus d, that will be equal to 1 by a plus n into d plus d. Now when you take 1 by a to the left hand side, then we'll get 1 by b minus 1 by a is equal to n plus 1 into d. Now dividing with n plus 1 on both sides gives 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a is equal to d. Therefore, the common difference of this AP will be equal to 1 by n plus 1 into a minus b by a into b. Now we have 1 by h1 is equal to 1 by a plus d, and 1 by h2 is equal to 1 by a plus 2d, so on up to 1 by hn equal to 1 by a plus n into d. So when we substitute the value of d in these equations, we'll get that 1 by h1 is equal to 1 by a plus d, which will be equal to 1 by a plus a minus b by n plus 1 into ab. And similarly 1 by h2 will be equal to 1 by a plus 2d, that will be equal to 1 by a plus 2 times a minus b by n plus 1 into ab. So on up to 1 by hn will be equal to 1 by a plus n into d, that will be equal to 1 by a plus n into a minus b by n plus 1 into ab. So when we know the value of a and b, we can use these formulas to find the n harmonic means between them. Now let's see an example by trying to find 13 harmonic means between a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to 1 by 16. Now here, since we have a equal to 1 by 2, then 1 by a will be equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 2, and 1 by b will be equal to 1 by 16, that is equal to 16. Now since we are inserting 13 harmonic means, then let's suppose h1, h2, h3, so on up to 13 are the 13 harmonic means. Now we know that h1 will be given using the formula 1 by h1 equal to 1 by a plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a. So this will be equal to, now the value of 1 by a is 2 plus 1 by, since we are inserting 13 harmonic means the value of n is equal to 13. So this will be 13 plus 1 into 1 by b is 16 minus 2. So this will be equal to 2 plus 1 by 14 into 14, which will become 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So we got 1 by h1 equal to 3. Now when we take the reciprocal, then we'll have h1 equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, 1 by h2 will be given by 1 by a plus 2 times 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a. So this will be equal to 1 by a value is 2 plus 2 times. We found that the value of 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a is equal to 1 from here. So let me substitute that value 1 here. Then we'll have 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So from this we can tell that 1 by h2 equal to 4. That implies h2 will be equal to 1 by 4. Now let's try to find what is h13. We can find the value of h13 using the formula 1 by h13 equal to 1 by a plus 13 times 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a. So this will be equal to 2 plus 13 times the value of 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by b minus 1 by a is 1. So this will be equal to 2 plus 13, which will be equal to 15. Now when we take the reciprocal, h13 will be equal to 1 by 15. So the 13 harmonic means between 1 by 2 and 1 by 16 are 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, so on up to 1 by 15. Hope you understood well. Thank you.